Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. I have cream on my head, do not mind me, I have discoloration that's like horrible right now. It's the birthday girl! Birthday girl! And we're at Denny's right now, and I got, I made my own like sandwich thing. Hopefully it's good. Like honestly, every vlog that I'm posting is just about food because I eat a lot of food. But literally, it's so good! Hopefully, I don't know what I'm saying. Let's hope it's good, and let's not look at my forehead.
Yeah?
Okay, so I'll update y'all later. I have to drive 4 hours to Las Vegas, which is gonna be great. I know. It's cream. Okay, bye. Guys, you're making fun of me for getting Sprite. Because I really like Sprite. Yeah, so I got eggs, brew, and toast, and I dropped my drink picking up the phone. Yeah, it's been a very hectic few days. No, we heard it from Xian. We're gonna waste so much. We're gonna gain so much weight after
on a daily basis.
Xian, love.
Yeah, that's how you eat on a daily basis. What are you saying?
Hey guys. Okay, so we just stopped, but we're driving to Las Vegas. It's like a 4-hour drive. I think we're just like we're not even halfway through. We're like 30 minutes, 45 minutes in.
1/7.
Yeah, 1/7 in, and our parents want to stop because they needed to get gas and they needed to use the restroom. So yeah, we stopped and we're filling up gas, and it's really boring. I was listening to Olivia Rodrigo because it's really good, and so then we are chewing gum. Okay. Update y'all, so I'm so tired right now because we've been sitting in the car for like 3 hours probably, and we're still an hour away because 4-hour drive, and I'm literally so tired. We stopped 2 times and it's just taking way longer than I expected, but I don't know, we're waiting to get to the Venetian, which is where we're going to be staying. It's like on the Vegas Strip. It's super cool. I looked at it, so it's like a rendition of Venice. Honestly, I want to see the hotel room. I feel like it's going to be super pretty. But yeah, I'll update y'all once we get there. Hey guys, so we're at the Venetian. It looks super cool. It's like a Venice type of rendition type of thing, and we got out of the car. It's been like 5 hours since we've been there. Yeah, I'm so tired, but we're gonna go get ready for Shifa's birthday, and we have a surprise for her. I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour because it's the Venetian. Like, who doesn't want to see that? So we start off in these curtains that have the view of, I honestly just think this is just Vegas in general, and then you can see the highway right there. And that's our room view. We have this desk right here. It has a lot of charging ports, so if you're here on a business vacation or whatever, like, you're set with your computer and stuff. This couch with the little table in the middle, and then the TV with like drawers and stuff. And then there's also another table, so a lot of seating space, a lamp, and then 2 other chairs, so more seating space. Another lamp, cabinets. And then these are the steps. So you walk up these steps to get, and I took the iron board out because we have to iron our clothes. But you have your TV, you have an entire dresser to put your clothes on, 2 beds that are like amazingly sized. And then you have your corner table, you have your notepad, the time clock, remote for the TV and other stuff. And then you walk into here and you have your closet, which is really big. Has both sides, and that's where the iron board went. And then this door goes into a conjoined like room with my other, like my brother and like whoever's staying in that room, and then another mirror. And inside the restroom there's 3 more mirrors, and then a bathtub and a bathroom shower. So that's pretty much the room tour. Guys, so I'm ready. Dress check. Check. Birthday girl. Say happy birthday in the comments. But we got ready and we're going to PF Chang's to eat dinner, and then we have a surprise.
I'll see you there.
And We'll see you there. Saying nice things about Shifa, and now everyone's crying because we all saying nice things about Shifa. Guys, so we're in Vegas. We just ate at PF Chang's, literally the best thing, and we celebrated Shifa's birthday. It was amazing. And now we're gonna go find our car because we need to. It doesn't move. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. The surprise was a limo. Shifa likes it. It's really cute. Everyone can say hi. It's so pretty. The top is lighting up. Oh my god. So behind me is the Bellagio fountain tower. Okay. It's super cute and it's really pretty. Bro, it sounds like it's thundering, but it's really not. But yeah, it's super pretty. So we finished off Shifa's birthday and we're pretty much just at the hotel room. The limo was super fun and so was eating at PF Chang's. But thank y'all for watching and stay tuned for day 3.